This is Dave with the RH Acrylic Creations. Today's pillow paint is Glidden Essentials in Eggshell. And our pouring medium is Valspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick. That's a 3-to-1 ratio. Listed here are the colors we're using today. One that I left off was Copper Penny for our cell activator. The pillow paint is going down. We use a low sheen in order to eliminate bubbles. And there's other reasons, but that is the main reason I keep it to a low sheen house paint. Our first color is coming down. It's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, and that's a golden color. Next pigment is Watermelon, and that's by This Little Piggy or TLP. I'm going to put that on both sides of the Nickel Azo Gold. Okay, next thing is Aztec Gold, and this is an Arteza paint. Next paint is Golden Peach, and this is a TLP color. This is an interference color that shifts gold on the other side. So it's got a pink, peachy gold look to it. It's actually a very, very pretty paint. Next color looks the same, but it's not. This is Knockoff Iridescent Shimmer by Pourage Posse. Julie Roberts says, they're two distinct colors of peach. Next color is Tuscan Sun, and this is by ColorArte Prizm. Loading up the back of my tool for swiping. This is Carbon Black. It is mixed with 3-to-1, 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. And I made a decision kind of on the fly to put in the Copper Penny. That's the first time I've ever tried to use this. Well, actually, second time I've tried to use this as a cell activator, and it works beautifully. Okay, it is time to swipe. Okay, take you down for a close-up so you can see the cells pop open. That's the reason I do this, folks. It's amazing to me every time it happens. If you have any questions or anything you'd like me to cover in the future, leave those down in the comments below, and I will either make a video or answer any questions you might have. What I'm doing here is I've taken my smaller tool because I had some clumped up cell activator that didn't open up. So I'm trying to open it up a little bit, and I had a part down here that didn't have any cell activator at all, and so I added some to right there. And I'm blowing on it because it didn't want to cell up, and I decided it really didn't matter because by the time I was done, that part would be gone. Okay, I picked up my skewer, and we're going to do a little bit of modifications. The modifications, when it stretches out, give it some interest, kind of give us a pattern. And this actually really worked with this one. Now I see this is a 5.5 inch hexagon. And what that 5.5 is each side of that is 5.5 inches long. It doesn't mean from side to side, it's just each little side. And it took me a while to figure that out. Okay, I've stretched it out a little bit, and we're going to do our first spin. This opens up the cells in the middle and gives our patterns a chance to really emerge in what they're going to look like. And boy, do they. I mean, that's just a wow. You'll see on the flyby or the flyover just how wow it is. At this point, I'm over the moon happy with this. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit more, see if we can get it to take up more of the tile. Not doing a heavy spin on this, I'm just spinning enough to get the excess paint off. I'm not really looking to move much more than necessary because I really don't want to lose a lot of this. And you can see top and bottom, I have spun off some of the nicer stuff that I liked, but it's okay. The end product is amazing. And I think we're going to give you a closer look here, and then we'll do a flyby. Here we go. And now for the flyover. I hope you found this useful today. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you could take the time and give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. My goal to do at least 3 a week. And I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Thank you very much for stopping by. Bye now.